In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show earnings on TradingView graph. If you want quick visual cues for when a company reported earnings, TradingView makes it easy to overlay that information directly on your chart. This helps you understand price moves around quarterly results without jumping to another page. Start on any chart for a stock or other instrument that reports earnings. Move your cursor over the chart area, then right-click and choose Settings. That opens the Chart Settings panel, where you control what appears on your screen. In the panel, find and open the Events tab. This section manages the small icons that appear along your timeline, such as splits, dividends, and, most importantly for today, earnings. You'll see an option labeled Earnings. Click it to enable. It's typically a simple checkbox or toggle, and as soon as it's on, the change applies to your chart. Close the panel and look along the bottom of your chart near the time axis. You should now see small E icons placed on the dates when the company reported results. Hovering over an E gives you a quick preview, and clicking it opens a compact card with details. You'll typically see the earnings per share, both the actual figure and the analyst estimate, along with revenue information. This is great for spotting beats or misses and for understanding whether a jump or drop in price lines up with the report. If you don't see the E icons right away, a couple of quick checks usually solve it. First, make sure you're looking at an instrument that actually reports earnings. Most individual stocks do, while many cryptocurrencies do not. Second, adjust your timeline. If your chart is zoomed into a very short window that doesn't include an earnings date, simply zoom out or scroll so a past or upcoming report comes into view. Also remember that earnings are periodic, so on longer time frames, you'll see them spaced out. Once enabled, earnings events will remain visible as you change symbols during your session, so you won't need to redo the setting every time. And you can always return to the Events tab the same way. Right-click, Settings, Events, if you want to quickly toggle the display. That's all there is to it. Right-click the chart and open Settings, go to the Events tab, enable Earnings, and then click any E icon to see earnings and revenue details right on your TradingView graph. With this turned on, you'll have crucial context at a glance, making your analysis faster and more informed.